Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So I've decided to try something new, something bold, something I would not do, something out of the ordinary, and this is what I came up with, and I'm loving it. So if you also are loving it, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Hope you enjoy. Hey, also let me know what you would like me to do in my next video in the comment section below.
Cause if you treat me right, I'll be the perfect wife. Buying groceries, buying what you need. You got that 9 to 5, but baby so do I. So don't be thinking I'll be home and making apple pies. I never learned to cook, but I can find a hook. Sing along with me, sing along with me. Hey, you gotta know how to treat me like a lady, even when I'm acting crazy. Tell me everything's alright.
So starting with the darkest color, we're going to apply that on our crease, but we're only going to apply it at the end, only towards the end of our crease. Just dab it on. Do not swipe it, do not slide it, just dab it onto your crease.
After every fight, just apologize, and maybe then I'll let you try and rock my body right. Even if I was wrong, you know I'm never wrong. Why disagree? Why disagree? Well, you gotta know how to treat me like a lady, even when I'm acting crazy. Tell me everything's alright.
Now moving in with a lighter green shade, we're going to apply that onto our crease, but a little bit higher. We're going to also dab that in. We're just going to build up the pigmentation, not too much product at the same time. Go back to your palette if you need be, and just dab that onto it. But now the trick is here, we take it a bit closer to the full of the eye. So do that. You might lose the green, but that's not a biggie. We can go back and add some more intensity. We're now going to use a softer blending brush, and we're just going to blend that in. We're going to infuse the colors together. Remember, you want that contrast. Yes, we want the contrast of the shadows. And just like I said, now I'm going back in with a darker green, and I'm adding the intensity because I kind of lost it when I used the lighter shade. Now we're going to do the full part of our eye, of our crease, and we're using a blue shimmer. The good thing about shimmer is that whichever color you use, it will always go well with any shade you have applied. I could have easily put orange, I could have easily put green, I could have easily put another color, and they would have looked bomb. So now I'm dabbing that in using my angled line brush. I am dabbing that onto my crease, onto only the full part of my crease, and adding onto intensity, not too much product at the same time. So I'm just building it up.
Don't keep your secrets to yourself. It's Kama Sutra show and tell. Yeah. Whoa, there's loving in your eyes that pulls me closer.
Going in with the Xxxx black eyeliner, I'm lining the top part of my eye. This makes your eyelashes look full. This makes them look thick. You need this in your life. By now you should know that I am a sunscreen girl. No matter how much sunscreen is in the foundation, I prefer to reapply it onto my face. It just is good for my skin. Also, I'm trying out this Maybelline primer. This is a primer from Maybelline. Basically what it does is that it makes your skin soft, oh my word, it makes your skin super soft, and it actually acts as a base for your makeup. It erases pores, it makes your makeup look flawless. And I'm using a foundation by Revlon in the shade Mohagony. Mohagony, I'm always having a problem pronouncing this word, but it's Mohagony. And I will just go ahead and apply that to the rest of my face. So I'm using two concealers. One is the LA Pro Girl concealer and the other one is the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 30. Obviously you don't have to use two concealers, but I just like the output like they give me. It gives me as a unit. I like the textures, I like the shade it gives me, I just like the coverage, I like everything about these concealers as a unit. So, but obviously, like I said, you do not have to use both of them.
I'm screaming mercy, mercy, please. Just like they say in the song. Until the dawn, let's smile and get it on. Just like they say in the song. Until the dawn, let's smile and get it on. Ooh.
Dear future husband, here's a few things you need to know if you wanna be my one and only, all my life.
Take me on a date, I deserve a bait. And don't forget the flowers every anniversary. Cause if you treat me right, I'll be the perfect wife. Buying groceries, buying what you need. You got that 9 to 5, but baby so do I. So don't be thinking I'll be home and making up the past. I never learned to cook, but I can pie to her. Sing along with me, sing along with me. Hey, you gotta know how to treat me like a lady, even when I'm acting crazy. Tell me everything's alright. Dear future husband, here's a few things you need to know if you wanna be my one and only, all my life. Dear future husband, if you wanna get that special loving, tell me I'm beautiful each and every night. After every fight, just apologize, and maybe then I'll let you try and rock my body right. Even if I was wrong, you know I'm never wrong. Why disagree? Why disagree? Well, you gotta know how to treat me like a lady, even when I'm acting crazy. Tell me everything's alright. Dear future husband, here's a few things you need to know if you wanna be my one and only, all my life. Dear future husband, make time for me, don't leave me lonely, and no will never see your family more than mine. I'll be sleeping on the left side of the bed. Hey. Open doors for me and you might get some kisses. Don't have a dirty mind, just be a classy guy and buy me a ring.
Now this is the Banana Luxury powder from Revolution, same brand as the powder I just used, the Terracotta. I'm using two powders as usual because I like the shade they give me, and I don't know, I just like them as a unit. It just works for me, but sometimes I do use like either, not both of them. And I'm going in with the mascara volume lashes from Xxxx because I want to apply my eyelashes. There we go. And guys, it has taken me so long for me to master applying my eyelashes. Oh my word, confident enough for me to do them in front of the camera. It has taken me so long, so do not worry if it's a problem for you. You will get there, definitely. Okay, they from Xxxx. Before I forgot, they from Xxxx. Got them from Xxxx.
All my life. future husband. If you wanna get that special loving, tell me I'm beautiful each and every night. After every fight, just apologize, and maybe then I'll let you try and rock my body right.
So I'm using black, the black shade, and the first shade I used on my crease to smudge the black eyeliner I just applied onto my waterline.
Even when I'm acting crazy, tell me everything's alright. Dear future husband, here's a few things you need to know if you wanna be my one and only.
To restore the warmth onto my face, I'm using the NYX Illuminating stick. Do not be alarmed that it's red, it actually does wonders. And for me, it works as a blush because I'm not going to apply blush obviously after I apply this. So I just dab that in and look at what we have. This is a new highlighter that I recently got from Revolution. It's the Strobe highlighter. Oh my word, it does wonders. Hey, wonders. It's so pigmented, it's just so easy. It's so easy to work with, and it does not have any fallout, none whatsoever, and if there is, it's like little to none. And it's so affordable. It's actually cheap at Xxxx. I got it for like $89.99. It's so affordable, so cheap, so plug yourself.
Take me on a date, I deserve a babe. And don't forget the flowers every anniversary. Cause if you treat me right, I'll be the perfect wife. Buying groceries, buying what you need.
So I'm using the NYX Soft Cream. I'm not sure about the shade, but I will make sure to list it in the description box below. So I smudge it up until I remove the harsh line of the black eyeliner.
Even when I'm acting crazy, tell me everything's alright. Dear future husband, here's a few things you need to know if you wanna be my one and only all my life. Dear future husband,
but in discuss, yeah. Banye but in the bakas, yeah. Baga wa mugcwele incasa, yeah. Number yami say ikhasi, yami phoning ange plus, yami flowing angomlao, doing what they wanna allow. Khulumende bring the loud, danki siyabo. Maskale ngodala injebo, woza madaling nanzo. Roll that shit up for your boy, yeah. Zuku zonke ndithi mihla yonke nizobapapatisa ngalo mlishi. Super focus, I need to